Ayan. Start na siya. Pag gusto mo siyang pipilutin mo na siya pag ipo-pause mo. Pag i-stop mo na yun. Pag gusto mo na i-play, pilutin mo tas play.
Hello people, and how to make my tank. How to make my tank. And you need to make my tank, you need this and this metal. You need to do this. Need to pause this. You'll get this and make this big. Make it like this. Make it small a little, then do that. Make it small. Where is it? Big it like that. Go here. Do this. Go back here. Set layer. This, okay? This. Like that. So, like that, you will see like this. So, you need this to do here. Put it there. Go here. Put it here. Over there. Wait. Okay, you can see. Oh no, wait. So, you can see that it's attached. So, you need the minigun. Wait. Go to the guns. Get the minigun, but you need to switch it. Do that and like this. Make it big. Like that. Let's make it bigger. So it's like that. Now you need to go here to the recoil, go there,